Hello friends, welcome to Simplify Your Space. Being a mom is such a wonderful feeling. Every day our children show us truest form of love and trust. But handling them or their things are not always easy. Ever since I became a mom, I have been looking for ways to make life a little easier. Anything that can save time, money, or just make things a little simpler is a great value addition. Being a mom at times can demand you to be a juggler. So every little thing counts. In today's video, I want to share some of my favorite mom hacks which make my life easy with my kid. And these hacks can be helpful to you too. So let's get started. When kids sit down to do the homework or any activity, they always forget to gather their study essentials and keep getting up to pick up things which waste a lot of their time. To prevent that, one may use this kind of bed study table which has pockets on the sides. Kids can keep their study essentials like notebooks, pencil box, coloring kit, etc. always ready in these slots. Kids will be happy to have an efficient study hour. They are likely to learn the benefits of organized study than one with unnecessary intermittent breaks. When it is a holiday, it is surely a mess time also. Art and craft items will be seen scattered everywhere. Different types of colors and pens will be used to create a masterpiece. But what about the mess later? To avoid this mess, moms can use this kind of section caddy which I bought from Westside. Something similar can be found online as well. This can be used to keep different types of colors, pencils and brushes segregated and organized. When kids want to do any activity, they can simply pick up the caddy and bring it to the activity table. They can take out whatever needed and place back instantly after use. Less mess means less stress for moms. Lot of moms are dependent on online shopping these days, especially the ones with small children. Online shopping helps us save lot of our time. But with so many options available, finding the right deal or coupon code can be a challenge. Here Honey can help you to get the right deal, and this part of the video is brought to you by Honey. Just download the extension and it will get added to your browser. Let's see how it works. Now imagine you are shopping on one of your favorite sites, say Flipkart or FirstCry. When you check out, this little box drops down and all you have to do is click Apply Coupons. Wait a few seconds for it to scan promo codes from across the internet. And see, it applied the code and final price is much lower now. Almost 17 million people use Honey to find coupons with one click. And now it is a part of PayPal family. Get Honey for free at joinhoney.com/simplify. Find the details in the description box. As a parent, sometimes it is difficult to make kids follow the routine or timetable, especially the small kids who don't know the concept of time. So, to make them aware, get any white wall clock. Remove its frame and according to the activity, color code the hour, like for playtime, homework time, eating time and sleeping time. Initially, you can even make a note of these colors and their related work for the convenience. This way, our small kids will easily understand what time it is and what activity has to be finished within particular color-coded hour. Some initial hand-holding will help them slot into a disciplined and productive routine. If you have a kid like mine who is insanely in love with Legos, then this one is for you. Legos are good for play and creativity, but can be annoying when they come under your feet. And once kids are done playing with Lego, these small pieces are so hard to collect and time consuming. To make life easy, one can use this kind of toy collecting bag cum play mat. It has a string which has to be pulled to fold the mat into a portly bag. Kids can keep all their favorite toys in this and can carry the bag easily from one room to another. As the bag is quite big, it can easily fit lot of Lego pieces and toys. Once done playing, the kid can just pull the string and close the bag and dump it in the toy storage. When we have small kids at home, spillages on the floor are very common, and moms have to be always alert and ready with the mop stick. But I have an easy way out now. Keep a pair of this kind of slippers at home with detachable microfiber duster. When anything spills, just run and wear your slippers and easily give the floor a wipe and say bye-bye to bulky mop stick. Please note that these slippers are not a replacement for a floor mopping. They can be used for small spillages. All the homes will surely have some of the cute stuffed toys. They are not only loved by kids but by people from all age groups. Kids usually have their favorite one which they always like to keep at their side, especially while sleeping. But these toys are a big home of dust, sweat and germs. So the easiest way to clean them is to dump these toys in any of these mesh laundry bags and then put them in the washing machine. And all your toys will come out clean and no damage. Just hang them to air dry. Many a times we assign our kids some minor work or task and ask them to finish it fast, but they take their own sweet time. Kids are so inquisitive, they get distracted the moment they see something new. To make them complete the task within time, use an hourglass. It comes in different sizes and according to the time, like 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes, etc. When you assign a task, set the hourglass. As the sand starts slipping through, they will run to finish the work given and will surely try to reach back to you before the sand is over. This is an interesting, fun way to make kids do their work fast. Growing up, kids like to do their own work, like taking bath, dressing up, etc. But when they start selecting the clothes or try to pair them, the whole drawer becomes the mess. So to avoid that, keep the pairs together. After folding, just layer the bottoms with their tops and roll them up instead of keeping them individually. Like night suits come in a pair anyways, so it is easy and convenient to keep them together and rolled. T-shirts and pants are usually bought individually, but you can make pairs and then arrange them in the closet. It will be easy for kids to pick up the whole pair and the closet will stay organized. Online links and details about the products shown in this video are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up if you like this video and share it with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. We'll see you all next week. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.